Hello, I'm Kevin Lanke, the Assistant Athletic Director at Rose-Hulman, and our job is to promote the student athletes, promote our programs, and promote all the wonderful successes that our teams have every single year. Rose-Hulman is a member of NCAA Division III, which is the non-athletic scholarship division. You still qualify for financial aid, you still get a great athletic experience, but these are true student athletes playing for the love of the game. And oh, how much they love the game and how much success they've had at Rose-Hulman over the last decade.
Tell me on three. 1, 2, 3.
Rose-Hulman's teams combined for 57 HCAC championships in the decade of the 2010s, 43 of those on the men's side, 14 women's championships. The most impressive stat of all, our track and field teams will enter 2021 with 22 straight HCAC championships. Unbelievable accomplishment by an outstanding coach in Larry Cole. Rose-Hulman athletic teams have qualified for 17 NCAA men's tournaments, 8 NCAA women's tournaments just in the last decade alone. That makes the 2010s the most successful decade in the history of fight and engineer athletics.
1, 2, 3,
Rose-Hulman student athletes combined for 35 All-American honors in the 2010s. All-Americans are either chosen by their National Coaches Association or in an individual sport. They're among the top 8 finishers in all of Division III in the nation. The Academic All-American Award is the highest combined honor the NCAA gives. We have 141 Academic All-Americans, including 57 since 2010 and 17 since the year 2017. It combines excellence in the classroom with outstanding achievement on the field and is considered one of the highest honors a true student athlete can receive. Rose-Hulman's athletic teams have enjoyed tremendous success in the Heartland Collegiate Athletic Conference. The men's programs have won 8 all-sport trophies in the last 10 years. That's the combined overall achievement of all the men's athletic programs. The athletic department has also won the HCAC Commissioner's Cup 6 times in the last 10 years. That's the best combined honor the conference gives for team achievement between the men's and women's athletic programs. Rose-Hulman has 6. No one else in our conference has more than 2 in the last decade, so it truly has been a decade of dominance for Rose-Hulman athletics.
I'm Jeff Jenkins. I'm the athletic director here at Rose-Hulman for the last 15 years, and I've also been the baseball coach for the past 31 years. During this time, I've watched our athletic department grow to over 400 student athletes from over half the United States and throughout the world. Rose-Hulman is a member of the Heartland Collegiate Athletic Conference, comprised of 10 schools throughout the Midwest. The close proximity of the schools allows our students to miss very little class time. Our student athletes' success comes from the fact that they're in a very demanding engineering team-based education. They've been able to carry that team-based philosophy over to the athletic programs. We're very proud of the fact that our student athletes here at Rose have graduated at a higher rate than our non-athletes. Our retention here has been over 90%. Our athletes here receive tremendous support through our learning centers here on campus, but they also receive great support through their upper class athletes. Our upper class athletes have had to learn the same things, so they do a great job of mentoring our younger athletes. I think it's really great to see our alumni come back and they talk so highly about their athletic experiences that they had. They use that in their engineering world, as leaders, and they're not afraid to fail. That's one of the most important qualities, I think, of our athletes here.
If you have an interest in joining the Rose-Hulman Fightin' Engineers, visit us online at athletics.rosehulman.edu. You can contact any one of our varsity sport coaches, and we would love to have you join the Fightin' Engineer athletic program.